Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to minimize all windows on a Mac and quickly get back to the desktop using keyboard shortcuts and built-in macOS features. This is really useful when you have too many apps open and want a clean workspace instantly. First, let's use the fastest keyboard shortcut method. Open a few apps or Finder windows so you can see multiple windows on the screen. Now press Option, Command, and H together on your keyboard. As soon as you press the shortcut, macOS hides all the background apps and keeps only the current app visible on the screen. This is useful when you want to focus on one app without manually minimizing everything. Now, if the current app still has multiple windows open, press Option, Command, and M together. This minimizes all windows for the app you are currently using. For example, if you have several Finder or Safari windows open, this shortcut sends all of them into the dock at once. Sometimes, certain apps may not support the full shortcut properly. In those cases, press Command and M repeatedly to minimize each window manually. You'll notice the windows slide into the right side of the dock as they minimize. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's look at another easy way to show the desktop instantly. Move your cursor to the top left and open System Settings. Wait for it to load, then go to Desktop and Dock. Scroll down until you find the Desktop and Stage Manager section. Here, make sure Click Wallpaper to reveal Desktop is enabled. Once this setting is active, you can simply click on any empty wallpaper area and all windows will move aside temporarily so you can access the desktop quickly. Another built-in method is using Mission Control. Swipe up with 3 fingers on the trackpad or press the Mission Control key on the keyboard. This shows all open windows at once, making it easier to manage or minimize them. These shortcuts are some of the fastest ways to clean up your screen, switch tasks faster, and keep your Mac workspace organized without dragging windows one by one. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video.